Part 3, Court of Appeals issues emergency relief against Judge Lauren Ogden again after Ogden granted a non-custodial grandmother emergency custody. The little girl was picked up from school in May, hadn't seen her mother or younger sibling in 5 months. First, the Court of Appeals says that adequate notice was lacking. Mail had been returned from Louisville and a Nevada address. Even assuming electronic service was appropriate, we cannot ascertain whether mom received all the orders and motions she should have received. The Court of Appeals goes on to say that the family court failed to exercise due diligence. This resulted in an unnecessary and disturbing disruption to the stability of a child that could have and should have been avoided. The family court blatantly violated mom's due process rights, then compounded the issues when wholly overlooking and failing to consider any of the relevant statutes concerning its jurisdiction or an award of temporary custody. The child, more so than the adults, has been the most aggrieved. This is one of the most scathing opinions I've ever read from the Court of Appeals. Now, Grandma argues that if mom is entitled to this emergency relief, then the Court of Appeals is going to be inundated with matters. The court says, while Grandma is correct to the extent that the loss of custody is usually not enough to get emergency relief, however, in this case, the court says it is not often that they're presented with custody disputes in which a family court has blatantly violated a parent's due process rights without any consideration of or reference to relevant law. The court went on to order and grant that the child shall be returned last Saturday to mom in Nevada. Y'all, what questions do you have?